This is a 2013 BMW 328. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, BMW Assist, heated seats, Dakota leather upholstery, a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, front and rear power windows, and this vehicle has fewer than 9,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
BMW of San Antonio is located at 8434 Airport Boulevard in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.